Hello friends, welcome back to my famous education channel. I'm back with new innovative and creative videos. Up till now we have seen two videos on hand detection. First video was hand detection, second video was hand and face landmark detection. Today's video is also interesting and innovative, so please watch it patiently. So for that, let us go through the Python file. Finger counting 1 in that first part, import CV2, import MediaPipe as MP. These two modules are required and used in each and every two programs of hand tracking and hand detection. Then next statement, all these three lines are used for hand and finger tracking, detection landmark of hands in image. Then second next statement, cap is equal to CV2 dot for starting the webcam should be started. Next statement, with MP underscore and hands model complexity, it is used for hand detection model for detection of hands. Then if hand detection is successful, then it will read, otherwise it will ignore, the camera will be empty in that case. Continue is used. If you want to detect fingers and face from the video, then we can use break here. The next statement, image is equal to CV2 dot CVT color, converting the image from BRG to RGB for processing. Then again convert the image from RGB to BGR. Then finger count is initialized to 1 since we want to count the fingers. Then next statement, if result dot multi-hand landmark, and in that all this is of fingers part, everything is of related to fingers. Then for landmark in hands, landmark, in that case test the condition for each finger count. Increase finger count, it will be detected and finger count will be noted, and 1 will be added after, because it is initialized to 0. Then other finger Y position for left and right hand, both hands, and this is the noting the count of the finger, index finger, middle finger, and these part are there. And at the last, finger count will be seen in the image and that will be printed. That's why image is printed on the web video. That's why it is statement is written, text it is written. Then display the image and exit. Now we'll execute the program. Yes, now it is 0 because finger count is not there, fingers are not up detected. Now I will raise 5 fingers are detected. Then it will detect yes, 10 fingers are detected, 9, then 5, 2, 4, again it is detecting 5, 10, 7. So we have successfully done with hand tracking and finger counting in Python. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.